And let's do this over again, shall we? Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan here, bringing to you a brand new video. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for giving my video a try. I hope you stick around and hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you'll always be notified when a new video comes out. So first things first, I have to say Christmas is over. Hope everybody have a new year, and this is the last video of 2018. Aww. I know it's sad, but the new year is coming, so new videos, yay! And second thing now, I'm sorry. So first I'm gonna tell you the problem with my recording video. So sorry for the shakiness. I'm using my hand on my selfie stick. Hi. So with this video, when I film, I use my phone because I don't have a camera, so I use my phone to film as I'm doing right now. And since my computer refuses to hook up to any device, so in order to edit videos, I have to utilize my Google Photos, you know, Google Cloud Photos thing. Yeah, I have to use that in order to be able to edit my videos. So mostly because, and also added bonus, my phone also tends to run out of a lot of space. Even though I have like a 32 gig, it runs out of a lot of space. So I was like, so it says, hey, full, we can't really record anymore, blah 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 blah. So usually what I do, I delete some of the video off of my phone because I know it uploads to the cloud automatically, but since videos takes a long time, I don't really like to delete the videos. So since I recorded the first two already and I was like, hey, it's up in the cloud, I could delete those too and give me space on my phone. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that I was on the cloud and not my gallery, on my gallery. So if I delete it from my phone, it will still be in the cloud, but I didn't realize I was actually on the cloud. So I deleted the two videos and it's gone. It's gone forever. The first part of this video, well, this recording is gone. That's why I have to come now and tell you I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, lovelies. But you haven't really missed much. Mostly the line art and the first flat layer of watercolors and real time, that's what I call it, real time video. But I was wondering if I should do it because the front part of the video is gone, but I still decided to do it because I like how those videos look. So here's the video, lovelies. I hope you enjoy. I'm so sorry for deleting the first quarter of the video. Feel so stupid about that, but I hope you still enjoyed the video for my year in review. And because it was in the beginning of the video and I deleted that part, this is the drawing I'm redoing. I did this Demon Girl on the 7th of January of this year, and I chose to redraw her for this year in review. And I must say, what I wrote on the shirt, I do not for the life of me remembered what it's supposed to be. So I just made up something new because I really couldn't remember what it is. But here's the Demon Girl. So proud of her. Let's see how I do. Did I improve? Did I not? Did I go backwards? Dun dun dun. Yeah, all this. I don't know if you keep seeing I'm looking over, so it's because I don't know where to look because the camera's over there and I'm not accustomed. So see you at the end of the video, lovelies. Bye.
Life was stringing me along, then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you, and now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna day you're here, I'm healing. And I was running out of love. I never thought I'd find this feeling. 'Cause I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. Every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, and now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. Symphony, we hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight. Let's go to see the stars and the moon. I'd fly far into space as long as I am with you. The light in my bright eyes when you're near. The fluttering I feel in my chest when you are here. I can't explain this kind of love. It pulls me to you, I want it, I can't get enough. So share this precious life with me. Just take my hand and let's enjoy the things that we'll see. Let's go to see the stars and the moon. I'd fly far into space as long as I am with you. The light in my bright eyes when you're near. The fluttering I feel in my chest when you are here. I can't explain this kind of love. It pulls me to you, I want it, I can't get enough. So share this precious life with me. Just take my hand and let's enjoy the things that we'll see.
hope you enjoyed the video. I know I really find that I've improved, so here's the final drawing of the new demon girl. I know I drew her head too big, believe me, I know. I find she looked so stubby, but I really liked how she came out. She didn't originally had a tattoo on her other arm. I just added that snake in, and I changed the shape of her horns, and I changed her bat, and I like it way better. It looks so much cooler, and I just really like how she came out. And I really want to get out of just drawing these short tops and shorts like I always do. Her shorts doesn't even look that short, but anyhow, I just really like how she came out, especially her eyes. Yeah, demonish. I showed my baby cousin and she was like, it looks scary. So I think mission accomplished. But I really like how the skin came out. This is what I originally wanted before I colored her, but I used markers in my first try, and now I use watercolors, and I'm really happy. I like how the smoke came out from her cigarette, and she looks so badass. But thanks so much for watching, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed 2018 with me, yeah, and I hope to see you in 2019. So see you later, lovelies. Bye.